Hey, how's it going, my friends? Greetings and happy Tuesday. Almost forgot what day it was. Thanks for stopping by. So I thought we'd do a little different angle tonight and show you what I got going on here in the van. We're laying back here at the bed. We're kind of at the foot of the bed right now. So I guess let's start. Let me see if I can pan around. Let's see. So that's the head of the bed where my foot is there. So there's my guitar. There's my fan. And it's just a twin size bed, see, just from there to there. But it fits me well. And I got my little carbon monoxide detector there. A little battery powered light there for reading. And a little tray to hook my glasses on and stuff like that at night. I added that paper towel holder there. That's coming really handy. It's just held on with magnets. That way I can move it to anywhere I wanted. And I got a new organizer here. You got to see this for my bathroom items. Like, razors and toothpaste and scissors and all sorts of things like that. And it goes down behind those two containers there all the way to the floor. And yeah, I got it full of all kind of stuff. And there's the containers I was talking about I keep my dirty clothes in. Because I needed something that would fit between the bed and the filing cabinet. And I couldn't find one, so I just decided just to get two. One of them's full of dirty clothes already. The other one's completely empty, so when it gets about 3/4 of the way, I guess I'll go do laundry. So let's pan on around. Of course, I've got my lighting all on that side over there. Well, most of it. And there's my little filing cabinet, dresser, and then the other filing cabinets up there by the driver's seat. I kind of use that one in the middle. It's like a little area when I cook. But, well, to be honest, I mostly just cook on top of the cooler. And I keep that pillow on top of the cooler just because it's so comfortable to sit on. And it also adds some good insulation, too, so. Alright, and you can see I've already got all my privacy panels up. It's not very late, but I wanted to do that so I can show you what I do at night when I'm parked at Kroger or wherever. And I guess I might need to make a little angle adjustment. Let me do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm up at the head of the bed now. There's the foot of the bed. And let's start over here. So, I hit my head on something. So here's my wardrobe that I keep my shirts hanging on. You see those in every video, right? And I've got my little overhead baskets there I keep socks and underwear in. And if you notice this wall, I never did cover the Reflectix. That's because I removed this piece of Reflectix in the summertime. You're going to laugh, but here's why. You know how cool the metal on your van is at night? And it's kind of good to get your foot up close to that, just to get some coolness coming off of it. And the Reflectix just keeps it too warm in the summer. So I just take that whole part there. Yes, I'm pointing with my foot down in the summertime. That just goes under the bed. Alright, so I've got my little interior fan there that blows. It angles different ways. Blows across the bed at night in the summer. And then this other fan over here in the back door blows the hot air out. Actually, I found it better in the summer having this fan in the back door blowing the air in. I know that works against what you've always heard, but I seem to like it that way. And then I've got the other light fixture over there. And, it's nice. It's bright enough in here at night. I added that cabinet not long ago. Keep my towels hanging there. And I've got a bag over the buddy heater because I haven't used it in so long. And my gym bag and my lime green shower bag hanging on the door over there. That's where I let it drip dry. It just drips down in that trough. I keep my shoes down in the trough over there. Got a little t-shirt laying down there I use as a doormat. Dry my shoes when I come in. And of course you can see that black tablecloth hanging up in the windshield there. $1 from Dollar Tree. You just fold it as a trifold and it blocks out everything. It's completely blackout. And we'll eventually move up to the front so I can show you about that. Oh, now it's time to go turn my interior light on. Be right back. Okay, continuing on with the reverse van tour. So I think we've covered everything we got going on over here. The cabinets and the shelving and the lighting and the siding. Let's see, where were we? We're talking about the shower bag that I drip dry here. Man, I got a lot of bags under that seat there. I need to do something about that. So, okay, let's move on up forward and I'll show you how the blackout panels work. Okay, so moving on up toward the cabin of the van there. You can see I've just got this tablecloth. I just pull the visors down, lay it over there, and then flip the visors up and it holds it fine. I've got a little tab in the middle there that I can stick in up on the dash so it kind of holds it up so I can still get the vents blowing. That's very important because in the morning when it's cold, I push the auto start and I can still get the heat blowing back here in the back in the bed. So keep that that tablecloth up out of the way. So I've got my panels up in the windows. See, I leave a little gap in the top there. That's just black foam board cut to fit perfectly. Little air gap in the top there. Now let me come around to the other side. And you can see I've got a little gap right up there on the blackout panel in the passenger window. And another little fun thing I do, you see this panel? See how got a little gap? You can see it's not quite dark outside yet. But I like to be able to sit in this seat and look out until right before I go to bed. And then I put it up in the window completely, where it completely seals up. And the outside doesn't have that ugly tape on it. So it just looks like nice and neat and bright and white. Alright, let me get my balance here. Be right back. Okay, so I'm back up in the driver's seat now. This is usually the sight you see, right? Because I just hook the camera up on the rear view mirror when I'm doing videos. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you. There's my little hook for hanging jackets. See that green hook right there? I've got a rain jacket on it right now. The buddy heater's covered with a bag, and it's just been such a warm winter. I've only used about 5 of the little green bottles of propane, and I've got about, I really overbought at the beginning of winter. I think I've got 4 bottles left, and I don't know when I'm ever going to use those up. Now underneath the bed here, I've got some crates, and in there is my cooking stove. I only use butane with it, even though it does accept propane too. I just find it to be too cumbersome. And as Timothy Keller pointed out on one of his videos, the propane feature on the Gas One stove is very dangerous. So go check out Timothy Keller and search for his Gas One stove video. So it's very important that you be careful with the propane. Butane, however, is very safe on the Gas One stove. Alright, so there's the old view you get every time. And we'll do one more angle and we'll wrap it up. Okay, so here's me in my recliner in the evening. This is what I love to do in the evening. I sit here, I have a sip of coffee. I'll have this window panel down here, and I'll have all the other window panels down where I can actually look out and see what's going on in the world. And I hang my phone here. Well, I don't know where my hook is, but I hang my phone there for watching videos, or I set my laptop up here. I have a huge 17-inch laptop that just pretty much takes the place of a television screen, and I'll put it right there. There I am pointing with my foot again. So that's it. Tuesday night, almost live from the Matty Wagon to you. So everyone have a great evening. Take care. Be well. Smash the bell.